Jai Hind and welcome to MyCodeTips. In today's video, I will discuss what is polymorphism in Objective-C. Okay, let me clear first what is polymorphism. Polymorphism means one item, many forms. Means one class, just like one class, many object, or one method, or we can use that method to in multiple. Okay, just for understanding, I am not comparing any object or classes or something like that. No, it's just something like it's like something. Suppose you are a method name or class name. Okay, this one, these are the branches, you can say that. Okay, or different roles, you can say. I say that I named this as a shape. Okay, and calculate area. Okay, this is the method, calculate area, and this is the main class, base class. So I created one class, one subclass or derived class, that is triangle, and define and inherit this one to this, and by passing some parameters, what is the length, width. Okay, then calculate this one. It's just same as square, by passing length. Rectangle, in this case you have to, this one is different calculation and this one is the different, depends on the mathematical implementation. Okay, is the rectangle by passing length and width. So these are three forms, but what is name is shape. You are implementing this shape and implementing this method into different forms. You are not writing anything. Okay, so polymorphism means one name, multiple words, and multiple functionalities. So you are not writing repeatedly. You are just extending some properties of that. Okay, so I have already written a code, demo class. So this one is demo. One parameter is area. Okay, that's it. In interface I define the class, that is area, and method name is display area, calculate area. Then I extended this, or I inherit this demo class to square. So square has already class data member, that is area. Okay, so you have to calculate the area, but in square I have only declared length. Okay, and in length, but since square accepts only one side, means all sides are equal, so it accepts only one side. It requires only length only. So I calculate area, implement this calculate area. Okay, and another is rectangle, and extending the same demo class. So but demo class has the properties area. Okay, you have to remember this one, area and display area. So all are inherited. So but I have to define the two data members in locally, that is length and breadth, okay, or length or width, whatever you can say. And I am defining another method, that is init with length and breadth. Okay, so this is the calculus area. So I defined one base class, but I implemented using that base class. I implement two other classes or subclasses. Okay, this is the demo class and this is the area. Okay, nothing else. Display area, this one. I am not calculating this one. Okay, but look at this square. In square, what we defined? Length. Init with side one sided, length is equal to side return self, means this one. Calculate area means area is equal to area. Look at the area. I did not mention area in the class square. Look at in the interface part. I did not define any area. Area is where defined, it's in the demo class. Okay, so area is length into breadth and the print is area. Simple. For rectangle, I have written the self, means this one, and calculate area is length in breadth. So I use that base class. Point is, I use that base class properties. I have written these are multiple forms of that based on that base class. Means I need area of different shapes, that is square, rectangle, circle, triangle. Okay, so I for confusion point of view, or if there is a repeatedly wrote the parameters sometimes, so to avoid, I wrote here so I separate this one to a different on the base class and implemented this, and this one the display area and calculate area. Look at this. Okay, so let's print some output for this one. So here is this one. In the demo square, this is the base class. Okay, I allocate the value or memory allocation to or I allocate the square class, square interface, what I have defined here. Okay, why? Because we are already extending this class to this one. So suppose if I am going to, if I will not this one. Okay, look at this, init with side. square calculation. Square calculate area, it will go to the calculate zone, that is square calculate area, that is this one. Okay, let's print. What will print? Look at this. Area of square is 100. Where it is, where it goes? That is square. This one. Area of square is this one. Okay. Since we are extended this was the base class. Okay. We are extended already using this one. We are extending this. We are making the, you can say that polymorphism. Poly means many forms. We are using this base class and created the subclasses. Okay, means making multiple forms. One thing multiple forms. Okay, suppose I run to this and print this one. Area is 50. What is area? Let's see. Area is 50. That is this one. Okay. Because in the rectangle we did not mention any what do you say that function overloading. Okay, we are not override anything around this one. Display area, look at this. Display area here, it name is same and is mentioned, but in the base class. But in the child class, I wrote another same in method in the same name, but it overrides the previous one. This one, in this case, it overrides this one. But in the rectangle case, I did not write anything about the display classes, display area, so it goes to the base classes, so it goes to the here. Okay, so this one is the we will discuss what is method overloading and method overloading. Method overloading means just like we said that just we are seeing in this area. Method overloading means by passing parameters you are generating different outputs. Okay, through parameters. For square we are passing one parameter, for rectangle we are passing two parameters. This is a method overloading. And for method overriding means you are overriding something, means you are override means if the name is same, if this the name is same, look at this. Here is the in the demo class, base class, the name is equal to the display area, this one. So the derived class or base class, derived class is override the base class informations or whatever you implemented in the display. So the most updated output will be from the child class. That is the method overriding. This one is override the base class. Okay, so in this example we see that method overloading, overriding and polymorphism. Simple concept. Polymorphism is many forms. Okay, is it clear? Let me revise that. Polymorphism means one name multiple forms. Method overriding means to override the previous name and override with the latest one. Method overloading means you are passing your name is same. Suppose name is same, but I am passing different parameters to receive the different outputs. Here is the method. This is the one kind of, but it's not exactly the form of method overloading. Method overloading, let me give some example, like yeah, look at this. This is the bright example. Just get some piece of code from net. Okay, look at this. This is the method overloading. Look at it. Write to file. Okay, string path from integer, string path from string. Okay, so these are the parameter type. Look at the parameter type: string, integer, string. Okay, this is the method overloading. Name is same, but parameter type is different, or no, number of parameters. Sometimes number of parameter it might be different, or it might be same, but the number of parameters is increased or decreased. Okay, this is the bright example of method overloading. Okay, and I have already explained what is method overriding. Overriding means it executes the, if the name is same, it executes the subclass, the latest version of that method. Okay, hope you get some, hope you have cleared any doubt. Please let me know if there is any doubt in method overloading, method overriding. Sorry. And polymorphism. Okay, I will make separate video on this one, method overloading and method overriding. Okay. might be short video, but I'll try to clear some doubt. Thank you friends, see you in next video.